Hi guys! In this very end year season, do you have anyone you want to say thank you for or sorry for this year? Because I got quinces, which is mogwa in Korean, from one of my neighbors, I decided to make some small gifts with these for those who I feel thankful or sorry the most. So, you're gonna see my honey quince tea making in this video. Let's get started! Hello, I'm Boli and it's Boli's Korean! Do the people in your culture enjoy mogwa? I guess this is more common in Asian countries, and Koreans usually enjoy this fruit as a fruit tea, honey fruit tea. And honey quince tea is well known for preventing colds and its perfume-like aroma here in Korea. So I decided to make honey quince tea as gifts for the people I want to say thank or sorry. So here I go, cutting into small pieces. The problem is that this fruit is so hard that your arm is not gonna work. It doesn't work after cutting it. Anyway, how to make the tea is so simple. After cutting them like this, mix with the same amount of honey and sugar until you think it's enough. Next, put the mixed quince into the cleanly washed bottles so that you can ripen it for about 10 days. 3 days in the room temperature and a week in the fridge. Then, ta-da! It's been done! Super simple, right? You know what? Actually, I'm gonna give this tea to my girls' nursery school teachers, and also the family lives downstairs, because the former is those I thank the most, and the latter is I feel sorry the most because of the noise my girl has been caused. But the thing is that I thought the number of the teachers in the school was 4. But I just found out that it's 5, which means I should give mine again, which means there is nothing for me because I felt sad about it. I wanted to make a cup of tea for myself before I really give them away. Wow, the aroma is really good. I should have made more than this. Well, I hesitated to appear on the video at first since I don't put on makeup on my face, but whatever. I'm just happy with this. It's time to go downstairs to share this. I'm kind of excited. I hope the family loves this small gift anyway. Now it's for the teachers. Maybe I should leave a message for each of them. And we're aware of how hard it is to take care of babies like mine. Only warm-hearted people can do this work, right? But look, the baby monster doesn't want me to greet to her teachers now. I'm kind of running away from her to finish this work. Sorry girl, I really want to thank them. They cared about you. You, the naughty and noisy girl. They're getting ready, and so I'm getting ready to say thank you with those. And you know that I also thank you very much for watching my videos and the love you showed this year. I do. Thank you everyone, and Happy New Year! Bye!